Private rooms are a professional way to share curated selections of artwork with collectors, galleries, curators, and clients. You can create a customized online viewing experience that showcases your work alongside the details and context that matter most. Each private room can be tailored to your audience. When you click New Room, name your room. Give your room a title that'll be seen by your recipients. You can also choose to include a cover image to customize the look and feel of the room. One of the most powerful aspects of private rooms is the ability to decide exactly what information accompanies each artwork. Choose whether to display pricing, availability, creation dates, dimensions, inventory numbers, framed sizes, and other artwork details. You can also include deeper contextual information, such as provenance, exhibition history, publication history, collections, artwork locations, and additional media like audio and video. Let's take a look at how those details come together in the viewer experience. As viewers explore the room, they can access the artwork details you've chosen to share, from pricing and dimensions to exhibition history and additional media files. You can also choose if viewers can favorite works and send you messages directly from the room, making it easier to answer questions and identify pieces of interest. For collaborations with galleries or publications, choose whether viewers can download original image files. Once your room settings are in place, it's time to curate the artwork. Use filters and search tools to quickly find the pieces you want to include. Then build a selection tailored to your audience. Just like hanging a physical exhibition, you can determine the order of works to guide viewers through the room. Before sending your room to collectors or clients, you can preview the entire experience exactly as your audience will see it. When you're ready, publish the room to generate a private, shareable link. You can keep rooms unpublished while you're working on them, publish them when they're ready, and even add password protection for an extra layer of privacy. Whether you're sharing a new body of work, available inventory, works from a specific series, or pieces for an upcoming exhibition, private rooms help you present exactly what you want viewers to see. Once published, simply share the link with collectors, galleries, curators, or clients, and they'll be able to view the room from any device.